What is Mudaraba? It is a partnership where one partner invests in a business venture while the other manages the business. The investor is called the Rabb ul-Mal, and the person that manages the business is called the Mudarib. Types of Mudaraba. It is divided into two types, restricted and unrestricted. Restricted Mudaraba. It is a contract in which the investor restricts the actions of the working partner to a particular location or to a particular type of business. Unrestricted Mudaraba. In this contract, the investor permits the working partner to administer the Mudaraba fund without any restrictions. Mechanism of the Mudaraba agreement. The investor and working partner decide to enter a business venture. The investor provides the capital to run the business, and the working partner is responsible to run and manage the business through his expertise. Subsequently, if the venture is successful and generates profit, this profit is distributed among both partners on a predetermined ratio. Authority of the investor. The investor has an authority to oversee the working partner's activities and works with him if he consents. Different capacities of the Mudarib. Trustee or Amin. The capital of the investor is a trust in the hands of the working partner. Therefore, if business loss occurs due to the negligence of the working partner, he will be fully responsible. Agent or Wakil. The working partner is an agent of the investor. Therefore, if the investor gives some instructions, he is bound to comply with these instructions. Liable or Damin. If the working partner disobeys the instructions of the investor, he is liable for the loss. Employee. In case the Mudaraba becomes void, the working partner is eligible to become an employee of the business and entitled to get a normal salary. Combining Musharaka and Mudaraba. The working partner may also invest money in the Mudaraba business. In this case, Musharaka and Mudaraba are combined. For example, Ali and Bilal start a Mudaraba business, and it's agreed that Bilal will invest $100,000 and Ali will share the profits as a working partner on an agreed ratio. Suppose that after some time some more investment is needed, and Ali adds $50,000 with the permission of Bilal. So in that case, Ali will take profit, as an investor against his investment of $50,000 and as a working partner for managing the whole business worth $150,000. Profit distribution in Mudaraba. Parties must agree the profit ratio at the beginning. Parties can share the profit at any ratio they agree upon. In case parties enter into Mudaraba agreements without mentioning the exact proportions of the profit, it will be assumed that they will share the profits in equal ratios. Apart from agreed profit, the working partner cannot claim any salary or remuneration. Parties cannot allocate a lump sum amount as profit for any party. And losses shall only be sustained by the investor, unless it is due to the negligence and willful misconduct of the working partner. Termination of Mudaraba. This contract can be terminated any time by either party by giving a notice. The following must be considered at the time of termination of the Mudaraba. If the assets are in cash form and some profit has been earned, it will be distributed among parties according to the agreed ratio. If assets are not in cash form, the working partner may sell and liquidate them to determine the actual profit. However, constructive liquidation can also be conducted. If the time period of the contract is fixed, all parties are responsible to complete it, and the capital of the investor will be returned to the investor, and the remaining amount will be considered a profit. This profit will be distributed according to the agreed ratio. Two-tier Mudaraba in banking. Almost all Islamic banks are using this Mudaraba-based liability structure, where the bank first signs an agreement with the depositors as a managing partner of their funds, and then the bank signs an agreement with the entrepreneur as an investor. This model is a hybrid of both Musharaka and Mudaraba. The Islamic bank also commingles the Islamic banking fund, especially when there's a single pool for PLS-based deposit products.